Hi, I'm Ashley from nerDigital. In this video, we are going to show you how to add a channel to an existing bot account in nerDigital Chatbot Marketing. On an account, you can create a bot on all the supported channels. Meaning, you can add one Messenger channel, Instagram channel, Viber channel, WhatsApp channel, SMS channel, etc. Let me show you how. Here you need to enter your bot token and click Continue. There you have it. You just learned how to add a channel to an existing account in nerDigital Chatbot Marketing. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and make sure to press the bell icon to get notifications when we upload a new video.